Every open role hits hard. Your best people get forced into overtime, burnout spreads fast, and production slows. And when crews are stretched too thin, safety risks rise, mistakes slip through, deadlines get missed, and customers start to lose confidence. Turnover makes it worse. Employees follow the money. They leave when they don't see a future or when managers aren't trained to lead. And every departure means retraining, lost productivity, and another hole to fill. And now another challenge: retirements. Skilled, licensed workers are aging out. Without a plan for knowledge transfer or succession, years of expertise disappear overnight, leaving critical gaps in your workforce. So what's left? Wasting money on outrageous agency fees? For candidates they're also pitching to your competitors? And too often, those hires aren't the right long-term fit. There's a better way. Talent Retriever gives you a dedicated recruiting team built for trades, light industrial, and manufacturing, without the overhead, without the headaches. With recruiting as a service, you get a full team of specialists, sourcers, screeners, recruiters, working as part of your company. We partner with you for 12 months at a predictable monthly fee. No commissions, no surprises. Up to 40% less than traditional firms, while delivering hires that stick. We don't just post jobs and cross our fingers. We go to market for you, telling your story and securing the licensed techs, foremen, service managers, and warehouse talent others can't. And we help you plan ahead, bringing in apprentices and early career hires to grow into critical roles before gaps open. Every candidate gets a professional, respectful process that protects your reputation, because in the trades and manufacturing, word travels fast. The best people want to work where they're valued, respected, and offered a future. With Talent Retriever, your crew stays strong, your customers stay confident, and your business keeps moving forward. Talent Retriever, recruiting that works as hard as you do.